We present kidnapped. It's 3.5 hours ago Bulla got born. There is a letter on the table and Bulla reading the letter, and Bulla figures out that his parents have been kidnapped. Bulla be very angry and he will find out who's kidnapped his parents. But first, jump! Bulla go on the street. Who are you? I'm the white ghost. Have you written this letter? Yes, I have. I'm Bulla and your nose. Ow! Ow! I'm coming now. Die, ugly ghost. I get my parents back now. I win this fight. That's okay. Here you are. Little honey, we have missed you so much. You too, Mom and Dad. Happy end. Kidnapped. Made by Emma, Daniel, and Svea.